Blues up front, they have Tongafasi, Slater and Renata. They'll look to lay a solid platform. Locks, Berry and Darry, important around the set piece and physicality. Loose forwards, new pairing of Barnes, Segner and Rampling. High work rate across the park from all of them. In the halves, Funaki at 9, linking play with Bowden Barrett at 10, guiding direction and tempo. The Bash brothers in the midfield, Aki and Lamb direct and effective in contact, while in the backfield, Clark and Forbes are on the wing with real pace out wide, and at fullback, Spencer on starting debut, a great opportunity to make his mark. And look no further than Jed Melvin on the bench, looking to make his debut tonight and show his form on the big stage.
Where Auckland-born Zuriel Tongiatama packs down in a beefy front row with Misaki Donge and Herete Hetet. Vodi and Nasilasila form a big, mobile and skillful second row, but the key to their forward pack, the running game of Lucy, Salawa, Wanga and Danakai Bata. A change and a bit of a surprise behind the pack, where Kumu Valetini replaces regular halfback regular fly half Isaiah Armstrong Ravula. Made his debut in the win over the Brumbies a couple of weeks ago. Now Yosefu Namote starts in the 12 jersey. And as you'd always expect, a very threatening back three, Momo, Longanimasi and Droasese. Plenty of experience to come off the bench, particularly in the backs, finds Lelewasa, Armstrong Ravula and veteran former French international Viremi Vakatawa. Oh, the Blues on a winning run. The Drua desperate to break their away hoodoo. And it's the Blues who kick off at Eden Park. The ball sent down inside the 22, where it's fielded by the Drua captain. Clark wants it, he's got it. Goes for the line, Caleb Clark, he stopped just short. Funaki sends it away, Rampling trying to wriggle out, get the ball down. The referee will have to check, he may have lost it. Well, they're celebrating.
Nothing clear. You got a grounding? Okay, tries awarded.
Yeah, the try's been awarded. Malachi Rampling.
How fitting, the loose forward trio, a lot of...
Hands on!
Lumani sends it away, Danakai Bata. He's stopped in the shadow of the posts. Lumani has a go, can't get there.
Hands behind.
Blues, oh, they've got it. They've got it over, it's Wanga. Segner the target, they take it down. Slater comes in at the back, tucks the ball under his wing. He can see the goal line, and he's over. Hitet again, stopped just short of the line. Lumani, Donge, almost burrowing his way to the line, but once more he's short. Lumani, the ball dribbles out behind him, but he gets it away to Vodi. He's over. Misaki Vodi. And the Drua get their second try. It'll be the Drua to start the second half. Kemu Valetini has the ball in his hands. Referee Keane blows his whistle. Just a conversion in it at Eden Park. Slater finds Darry. They set it.
Green hands up. And
See the number 17 jersey there of Mason Tupaya. While Slater, he's already got one. Backs joining in, he's looking for two. They'll have to try and hold him up over the line, but they can't.
Okay, that's once now.
Now they've managed to bring it to a halt. See Sam Martenga out there in the middle of that replacement for the Blues on the field. Aki, nice quick hands to Barrett. This is promising. Spencer gets the ball away to Vogt. The Blues stand up on defence. Now they can counter-attack. Barrett, he's got Christie with him. Finley Christie, now he puts the kick ahead. Tearing after it is Peyton Spencer, scores! Taking the ball to ground inside the 22. Christie rifles the pass away to Mullen, knocked away, but still in the possession of the Blues, and Caleb Clark pins his ears back and heads into the corner and seals it for the Blues. A hero of both nations represented here tonight. And in the end, it's a very good margin of 40 points to 15.